Okay, so hi everyone, welcome you in the course Data Analysis using R. And today we are on the introduction session where we will introduce each other so that things will be more comfortable in our sessions. So I'm just sharing my screen. So yeah, so who I am and you should to know about your instructor. So my name is Abhay Patel and I am from India and I'm working as an independent consultant in mostly in statistical learning part, and I'm a researcher and my area of research is statistics, and I have 3 years of teaching experience in various domains including programming, including statistics, including business development. So I have a broad area of learning and teaching experience in whole 3 years. I worked for many multinational companies as a statistician. Majorly, I was a part of a biostatistics team where I was leading the drug development part, and I am the evidence of many drugs into the market, which is for the oncology. And I was a part of a many organization NGOs where I used my statistical and programming knowledge just to do the data analysis activities for the betterment of society. Now I love teaching because I feel it gives me satisfaction and joy, and it's my passion. So drive with my passion, and it's an investment into the society. Therefore, our future will be. And I feel teaching is the way with which I can connect many and establish a great bond and harmony. Like you guys are coming from different countries, and I'm from India, and we are connected here in a session, and here we will learn the concept together. This is my first experience with the cross-border people, so for sure there will be some mistakes or maybe uh, some uncomfortableness will be there. But for sure, each one, if we will interact with each other and we will establish a great bond between us, then it would be very helpful for me to be deliver my best in the lecture sessions. Now, coming to my skills, so I know programming, I do R programming, I do SAS programming, I'm well versed in Python and C sharp programming. And in terms of application knowledge, so I know Microsoft Office, I am comfortable with Photoshop, and in terms of my core statistical skills, I am confident in basic statistics part, estimation part, testing of hypothesis part, and I'm experienced in statistical modeling, survival analysis, and expert in clinical data analysis activities. So please mute yourself. Actually, if you're not speaking, please unmute yourself so that everyone can hear. Okay. So in terms of core statistical skill, in terms of core statistical skill, I know basic statistics, estimation, testing of statistical modeling, and survival analysis. And as I explained, that my experience is in the clinical domain, so I'm expert in clinical data analysis activities majorly. And other than this, I'm learning the driving factor of the economy, like new concept of money, blockchain, cryptocurrencies, and I'm also quite bit interested in behavioral sciences. So if anyone is having similar kind of interest, definitely it will be helpful for everyone. Now it's time to introduce yourself, and great to have you here, everyone. And I'm excited to be the part of this opportunity to learn from each and everyone. I'll try my best to cover the sessions in such a way that everyone get benefited at max I can. And the same I will expect it from you guys. If you have any knowledge or anything, please do share with us so that everyone will be get benefited from your knowledge. Now it's time to introduce yourself. Please, one by one, could you please introduce yourself? And in the introduction, please include your name and what the profession you are having, and in which country you are belonging to, and what the things you are looking for after this course. Right, so maybe you are a researcher, then it might be useful for you for your research career. If you are in a job, if this course may be helpful for your job promotion and all. Okay, so please include these things into your introduction. Maybe, yeah, over to you. Yeah, maybe one by one. Go ahead. We will do it this as quick as possible. Okay, yeah, maybe go ahead. Who wants to go first?
Hi everyone.
Hello,
Hi everyone.
hello, hi.
Yes, so I'm Godfred. Yes, I'm Godfred from Ghana,
Okay,
and I work as a data analyst I'm just starting a
Okay.
role in the data analysis for Mundali. It's a community health impact platform, and we'll be working with different clients, trying to help them to understand the impact of their programs on the well-being of communities
Okay.
across Ghana, Africa, and then the US. So I look forward to understanding how to analyze this data that we'll be collecting through our platform, and also to bring out insights in a way that our stakeholders could understand and be able to work with the insight that we give them. So data analysis, visualization is what I look forward to
Okay. Yeah. Good.
learning.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Golford. Yeah, it's a
Thank
nice
you.
introduction. Thank you so much. Yeah. Maybe next one. Who wants to go first? Go next? Please be interactive. Yeah. Yeah. Hi, Ibrahim.
Yes, I'm Ibrahim. I'm an amphil student at University of Cape Coast. I work as a medical laboratory scientist and a chemical pathologist. So
Okay.
I'm now doing my master's in chemical pathology.
Okay, yeah, good, good, Ibrahim. Yeah, thank you so much. And I'm also a good skills in the clinical data analysis. Maybe, yeah, if you have anything or anything wanted to discuss, maybe it would be good for us together. Yeah, thank you so much for your introduction.
You're welcome.
Yeah, who wants to go next? Please be introduce yourself, everyone, so that yeah, maybe from next session onwards, we will have a great connect between us, and we understand each one of you and their interest, so that accordingly I can plan the session and I'll deliver the content in such a way that it would be benefit for you. Otherwise, what the content I have, I will deliver it, nothing else, right? But if I know your interest, your aim, then I can just modify these lecture sessions for you so that it would be benefit for you and give you the maximum benefit of the course. Yeah, maybe yeah. Anyone?
Hi everyone.
Hi, Najifa. Yeah, thank you so
Um,
much. Yeah. Hmm.
my name is Nazifat Abdul Fattah.
Okay.
So I am from Ghana and I just completed pharmacy school.
Okay. Great.
So there was a time that I took a course from ALX that had to do with AI and all that. And I had the opportunity to get a sneak peek of what data analysis was all about.
Okay.
So I just realized that acquiring such a skill makes you um, a best player when it comes to like driving change in your industry. And also I aspire to read my PhD one day. So I just want to acquire all these skills to create those unique opportunities for myself.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Najifa. Yeah, it actually gives me boost, and I'll plan the session so that you also get maximum benefit of this course. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Maybe who wants to go next?
Okay, so my name is Inusa Yakubu. I'm the monitoring and evaluation officer from SOS Children's Villages. So basically, also from Ghana. So as a monitoring and evaluation person, I'm responsible for measuring change in our programs
Okay.
and some projects that we run here at SOS.
Okay.
And then acquiring this skill will really be critical to my role as a monitoring evaluation officer.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
So
Good.
thank you very much.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Insa. Yeah. I'll try my best to just meet your aim of this course. Definitely, I'll try my best to complete the things. Yeah. Thank you so much. Maybe anyone wants to go next?
Hi, I
Hi.
am Edith. Charles
Uh,
from Ghana,
okay.
and I'm at University of Cape Coast reading MPhil in Measurement and Evaluation.
Mm-hmm.
I have heard about data analysis. Therefore, I look forward to have some knowledge
Okay, good. Thank you
from
so much,
data
Charles.
analysis.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, so anyone interested to go next?
Hi, I'm Abdulatif Abudu from Ghana, a student of UCC, reading M for Geography and Regional Planning. I'm looking forward to a great session in this course.
Very, very exciting. Yeah, thank you so much. So having a very diverse audience, so it will be a definitely a very nice experience for me and for everyone, because whatever the experience, whatever the examples we will take in our session, that will definitely come from the different backgrounds. So it will be definitely a very great session for everyone. Thank you so much, Abdu, and I'll try my best to meet your goal too. Thank you. Yeah, who wants to go next? Or maybe I can, yeah, maybe we'll post our introduction in our WhatsApp channel, so that everyone will be understand you and your experience. So maybe this session we will have later as well. So let me start with further session material what I have and what I wanted to give you. Okay, so let me again sharing my screen, and yeah, okay. Now coming to, so journey I plan to cover. Okay, so what the course material I covered. So even though I already placed uh, detailed syllabus into the WhatsApp channel, as well as I have provided you the link onto the WhatsApp description, so you can access the detailed syllabus from there, so that you can understand that what the things we are going to cover over here. And if the things is as per your requirement, then it is perfectly fine. And if you are thinking that something is missing or something is extra, right? So if something is missing, then definitely let it to me, so that I can include those parts as well into this particular syllabus, so that it would be very helpful for you. And if anything is extra you are thinking, don't worry about that. Please cover those things, because learning never waste. And if you complete this session, then definitely it would be helpful for you in coming future. So in our first session, I mean to say, the first topic which we are going to cover is introduction to R programming. So this is a basic course. Over here we will learn about the introduction part of the basic programming, how we can do the programming, how to install the software, what are the different platform to do the programming. And we will learn the basic concepts of programming, data structure, and the different types of looping concepts and conditional statements, and how to create the functions. So this part we will cover under the introduction to R programming session. And once we will comfortable with the basic R programming, then we will move ahead into the advanced programming part. So the basic programming course we will cover in our 15-hour session, 15-hour session, and this 15-hour session uh, will be distributed in a multiple ways. I'll come to this part as well. And once the basic session will be completed, we will move ahead into the advanced R programming course. So advanced R programming course is including just introduction of a multiple packages, what the packages we will use for statistical analysis activities, data analysis activities related to your domain, related to the common domain, how to analyze the data, how to prepare the data, how to clean the data. Okay, data munging activities, data preparation activities, all those things we will do into the advanced R programming part. Once this advanced programming part will be completed, okay, because this will take 20 hours, and these 20 hours will be distributed in a multiple ways. I'll cover those things in a later slide. Now after that, once the advanced R programming will be completed, we will move ahead for the data visualization activities. So the data visualization activities includes introduction of a multiple packages in along with the base package what we have. So over there we will do very nice visualization, and those visualization can directly be used for the publication activities as well, and you can use those visualization into your presentation activities. So this part we will cover into the data visualization part. There we will cover base package, ggplot2 package, plotly package, and we will create the dynamic visualization as well into this particular session. So this session will last around 15 hours. We will take just to cover this session, because this is a very important session, and data visualization is the very important step of a data analysis activity. So we will spend 15 hours time into this, so that we can explore the different course of the data visualization. And once that we comfortable with the programming activities, after covering the basic programming, advanced programming, and data visualization activities, we will move ahead for the statistical methods. So in the statistical methods, we will cover the theory about statistics, what the statistics we will use into our data analysis activities. We will cover this theory along with the implementation into the R programming. So we will see how the central tendency is working, how we will calculate the central tendency dispersion, what is the distribution functions is, how the different distribution functions are there. And after that, we will cover the inference and statistical modeling activities. So inference and statistical modeling activity is the core gist of this particular course, and this part we will cover once we are having a very good understanding about the statistical methods. Then we will move for the testing of hypothesis, or fitting a statistical model, like maybe linear regression model we will fit, maybe logistic regression model we will fit, or we will move ahead for the generalized linear regression models, as well as we will do some little activities into the machine learning part. So this is the journey I am planning to cover right now. So this is the bullets, this is the core topics I have included over here. You can refer the detailed syllabus into the WhatsApp description link, and you will see that what the topics we are going to cover in each and every domain of this journey. Now, what is who is the target audience? So target audience, anyone who is doing data driven research, maybe in applied statistical part, maybe in the social science research, maybe in the medical industry, maybe in the clinical research, pharmacy, economics, maybe geology, maybe geographies, maybe humanities. So everyone is the target audience of this course, because everywhere we are doing the data analysis activities. So wherever we are having any kind of data analysis activities, this course will be benefited to those persons. So along with that, the researchers who is pursuing job, this will be helpful for them into their job, just to do the data analysis activities and upskilling for their promotions. And the who is already been kind of academic completed and wants a job. So this course will helpful for you just look for a job, because this is covering each and every aspect of a data analysis job profession. It includes programming, it includes visualization, it includes statistical modeling, it includes the report generation, deployment, all those things we are covering into this particular course. So this will be very helpful for everyone who is looking for the job. Along with the teachers as well, this course is very benefited for the teachers as well, because the teacher who is actually teaching in a very traditional way, they are doing Excel exploration, they are doing the data analysis into the Excel. By using this particular course, you will be definitely comfortable into the doing a programming activities using R. So maybe you can demonstrate R programming to your students as well. Again, learning never waste. It's an asset that never depreciate. So if anyone is not falling in any of the criteria, definitely this is not a waste. Okay, this is an asset you are collecting, and this asset will never depreciate. So be aligned, be motivated, so that this will be benefited for you. Now, how we will move along with this course? So in this course, as you saw that we have multiple types of sessions, like introduction to R programming, advanced R programming, visualization, statistical methods, and statistical inference, along with the statistical modeling. So we have defined hours for each session, and how we will cover each session. So we have total 6 hour learning sessions per week. So 6 hours maybe includes 1.5 hours 3 days, or maybe 2 hours in 2 hours 3 days, okay, or maybe 1 hour 6 days, okay. It will depend, and we will decide that how we will have our sessions. So maybe after this presentation, I will kind of open a floor for you guys, just to discuss that how we will plan to cover the sessions in this materials, okay. So now day will be connect from Monday to Saturday. Okay, Sunday we will definitely not connect, because Sunday is the me time, and whatever the things we will cover in whole week, we will revise all those things. So Monday to Saturday we can set up a call 1 hours daily, or maybe 1.5 or 2 hours in alternate days. This will also work fine. I need 6 hours in a week, so that I can cover those things in defined times. We will connect via Google Meet. As I said today, Google Meet link. So I will set up a Google Meet link into the description. Okay, in the WhatsApp description link, you will find the Google Meet link. You can click and join this particular link just to cover the session. Again, I'm giving you introduction about recording things. Okay, and I want your consent that I will record each and every session. Okay, whatever the sessions we will have, including the including the discussions, including the clarification discussion, along with the session delivery. All those things I will record, and I will place those recording into the Telegram channel, so that if you have any doubt or anything, you can again rewind multiple times, so that things will be more clear. I will provide you the Telegram channel. You can also join that channel where the link will be placed. Again, whatever the code we will cover here, whatever the learning material we will develop, or maybe the books, or maybe the notes I will create, so all those things I will place into the GitHub. I will provide you the GitHub channel link as well into the description. Maybe a post this session I will include those things into the WhatsApp group description link. You can click and you can join all those channels, so that you can download the recordings, you can download the books or notes from the GitHub repository. So that would be helpful for you. Now, why my wishes for this learning connect is because I'm inspired to my fellow colleagues, and to make learning fun, because I know the programming activities, most of the people are thinking that this is a really a tough job. So I will try my best to teach in such a way that it looks like a fun for you guys, so that you can everyone not only sing so many few many. Okay, you can learn the concept of programming, and you can utilize those things into your profession. And I wanted to grow as an educator. Again, I wanted to upskilling myself, as well as I'm upskilling everyone as per the industry and research. So this is the wishes I have. Now your turn. You can take my interview. Whatever the things you wanted to hear about me. So I can just tell about myself. So if anyone have any question, then you can ask. And in the last, I can say the very famous quote from Mahatma Gandhi. You all know about him. Live as if you were to die tomorrow, and learn as if you were to live forever. So this is the final quote I have. So with this, maybe I'll again request you guys boost your motivation, and be aligned into this course, and that would be definitely helpful for you. And I will try my best to do the session in such a way that it will give a maximum benefit to you for your uh, understanding. Okay, thank you so much. And if you have any question, maybe we can discuss now. Anyone have any question, any doubt? If you have any question, then it is good. If you do not have any questions, then maybe we can discuss that what will be the good time to connect. Uh, I am comfortable to have a 1 hour sessions daily, as well as I am comfortable to deliver 2 hour session in one day, in 3 days in a week, or 1.5 hours one day, 3 days in a week. So what the things you are choosing, maybe we can discuss it, so that I can plan that what when will be our next session.
Hello.
Yeah, hi.
I think having 3 days in a week is more appropriate because looking at the target audience here, most of us are working at the same time, trying to join this class to learn for our benefits. So, be it being 6 times in a week, we might not be able to get the 6 days in a week to actually join the class. But if it's 3 days, 3 days in a week,
Yeah,
2 hours each, I think it would be best to help all of us
yeah.
because you can compromise 2 hours in a day as opposed to compromising 6 days, 1 hour each. So I think 2 hours in a day is much better.
Yeah, yeah, agree to Ibrahim. Yeah, and I guess most of the people are agreeing with this concept. Yeah, that is perfectly fine, and I'm happy to have 1.5 hours, 3 day session. The session we will have in such a way that we will have at least one Saturday in our session, so that yeah, it would be helpful for everyone who is doing job and who is doing any activities, but everyone is free on the Saturday, Sunday. So maybe one day we will have session on the Saturday, and rest of the two sessions we can plan in maybe Tuesday or Thursday. That will be the alternate days. So that would be good. Thank you so much, Ibrahim, and thank you so much, everyone. Just to have your point, and we will have 1.5 hour sessions 3 days in a week, so that we have 5.5 hours total week. So maybe 1 hour, 1 week or 2 weeks, we will expand our course and we will complete the sessions. Yeah, hi Insha. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, so I'm also suggesting that in addition to having 3 days in a week,
Mm-hmm.
we can also look at having 1.5 hours in the weekdays. That is 2 days in the weekdays, and then 3 hours on Saturday, because on Saturdays most of us are very free, and then we'll be able to have very extended time on Saturday. So
That
three
yeah.
3 hours on Saturday.
Yeah, yeah, Inusa, yeah, I respect your point, and the thing is that the 3 hours I can teach, no problem. I do not have any problem, but I don't know that how many people will be kind of comfortable to have a 3 hour session. So I'm not sure about that, but yeah,
Okay.
definitely we can try 1 or 2 sessions, and if we will feel comfortable, definitely we will have no problem at all. Maybe not this Saturday, maybe next Saturday we will try to have a 3 hour session, but before that, maybe we will continue our 1.5 hour session. And if we feel that we are comfortable on the Saturday 3 hours, then there will be no issues at all to me.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
Nusa. Yeah. It's a great point. Yeah. Okay. Then I guess everyone is okay with this schedule, or anyone have any point wanted to raise over here? And yeah, one more important thing is my language and my accent is clear to everyone. Please thumbs up so that I can understand. I can improve myself in such a way that you can easily understand to me, and you can easily understand my language and my grammar and my accent. Thank you so much, Anusan. Thank you so much, everyone who is raising your hand. Yeah, yeah, please. Yeah, Timothy. Yeah, do you have any point? Okay. Yeah, perfect. Yeah.
Yeah. Hello. Personally, I do understand your accent, and normally I'm a fast speaker. So anyone that speaks very fast is more prone to understanding someone that speaks very fast. But I saw a comment on a page indicating that you should slow down. So probably, yes, according to some people, you are speaking too fast for them. But personally, I don't really have any problem with that. So
Yeah.
looking at the majority of individuals here, I don't think most of them are fast speakers like you do. So I urge that you slow down a bit so that you can actually hear, since we have there are differences in our accents.
Okay, yeah, thank you. Great point, Ibrahim. Yeah, we'll follow that. And hi, thanks for joining, Felix. I was expecting and I was waiting for you to join over here. Thank you so much, and it's really a great platform you provided to us for our learning. And I really I'm very grateful to you, Felix, to have such a very nice, innovative idea to start this kind of sessions. And actually, we have completed almost our introduction part. I shared slides and all, so it's almost completed the session of today's introduction session. And we agreed. I just wanted to inform you, Felix, that we agreed that we will have 3 day session, including Saturday, and we have 1.5 hour session in a one day. And this day will be alternate days, like maybe Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, or maybe Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. In that we will continue our session. So that would be helpful for everyone because most of the people is having their job. Someone is busy with their researches. So this will not hamper at all to their daily day-to-day activities. So this is the discussion we had, Felix, and maybe you can give a few words from your side. That would be helpful for me to think about. What do you, Felix?
Okay. Thank you so much. Sorry for being late, and I am happy for the proactiveness. The arrangement, I am cool with it, and I am sure that everybody here is okay with it. We all wish to have a productive time with you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Felix. Yeah, thank you so much, and I'll try my best so that I can deliver my best, and that would be very benefit, or you can say very helpful for everyone to just to have a live sessions as well as do the exercise, which is really very connective for their daily activities. Yeah, hi, Aiki. You have any question or any doubt?
Yeah, I'm also considering the timing.
Okay.
Um,
Mm-hmm.
I think I think for me, considering our schedules, I think Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Friday, and then Saturday. These days excluding Thursdays and Mondays,
Okay.
I think would be appropriate for me.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I will respect everyone. So since we are having 3 days in a week and Saturday will be there, so 2 days definitely means at least one day will be comfortable on Saturday, and 2 days I will decide that which day will be good to everyone. So we'll plan accordingly. So maybe yeah. Thank you so much everyone for joining, and let's keep the momentum high, and we will start covering our sessions from Tuesday onwards. Okay. So thank you everyone, and thank you for great learning, and yeah, thank you everyone. Bye for now.
All right, bye.
Bye bye. Bye everyone. भाई 18 आ गए थे वो कहाँ से आ गए राइट ठीक में ना हम लोग अच्छा से कम्युनिकेट कर पा रहे हैं बहुत पोलाइट है यार सब मतलब सब अच्छी अच्छी पोजीशन पे हैं मतलब बता रहा था एक डायरेक्टर है कोई वहाँ पे चलती है मतलब जो है हेड कम्युनिटी चलती है घाना में सब वहीं के हैं कुछ यूएस के हैं कुछ इधर उधर के हैं सब दुनिया भर के कहीं से लाया है लड़का एक ठो अच्छा लग रहा है मतलब इससे क्या है ना थोड़ा थोड़ा ना बोलने की आदत हो गई अच्छी है इससे क्या है धीरे धीरे अभी जैसे हमें ग्रामर गलत हो जाती है ठीक है मैं वर्ड फॉर्म नहीं कर पाता हूँ ठीक है आज थोड़ा ऑफिस में बिजी था नहीं तो मैं सोचा था तैयारी करके आऊंगा इधर